morning, my dear students. I hope you all are safe and happy. I hope you all have watched yesterday's video and waiting for to see what happened to our injured elephant. Yesterday we have seen that the speaker, the writer, and along with the three other people, they are going to the forest, and finally they located the injured elephant along with the other elephant, the herd of elephant. Now we are moving to read and explain the rest of the chapter. Take page number 41, last paragraph, paragraph number 6. The next day, our jeep bumped across forest tracks and fields to the spot where we found that a group of enthusiastic young men had already gathered. Yes, the injured elephant was there, all right, they said, but it was in the middle of the herd. It would be impossible to separate the animal from herd and treat it. So finally, the team who came to treat the injured elephant found the elephant over there. They reached that spot by a jeep which is bouncing. When they are traveling, it seems like a bouncing. That is what we call it bumped. Bumped means somewhat like a bouncing or jostling. So why it is bouncing? Because the wild roads are not properly made. Okay, it is not smooth like the roads of the cities. Okay, so they jeep was bumping, and at last they reached the spot and they found that the injured elephant is standing in the middle of the herd of elephant, okay, group of elephant. And they found that there are a lot of people gathered over there to see how these people are going to treat the injured elephant. Usually that is what happening in our place also. If something is happening, more people will gather together, different ideas are coming from different people. They will try to see that how they are going to execute this operation. Okay, so here the same way they found very interested gathering of people over there. After some discussion, we had a bright idea. So they discussed about the issue, because this injured elephant is standing in the middle of the group of elephants, okay, which are not injured. So definitely when this team is trying to approach the injured elephant, so the other other elephants will attack them. So they are thinking about it, and at last they got a bright idea. If we first chased the herd away, the injured animal would surely lag behind the fleeing herd. Explaining our plan, we asked the assembled villagers if they would be able to chase the herd away from the spot. Means at last, what was the idea? They decided to chase away. Chase away means forced to go away. They are trying to make the elephants go away from the place, the rest of the elephants or the herd of the elephant from there. So when the elephants are moving, definitely the injured one will lagging. They can move very slowly, so definitely other will run very fastly, and this can move very slowly, so they can separate this injured elephant. Okay, so they are taking the help from the villagers to chase away this elephant. Okay, elephants. So the elephants are moving, so the injured one will be lagging behind this, so it will be left alone. So that time they can make it unconscious and they can treat it. That is what the plan from the spot. And within a few minutes the chase started. We would hear the herd crashing through the forest. The crashing sound, because when the elephants are running, they are crushing a lot of plants and all the things. So that is why the crushing sound is coming out. The chasing party shouting and bursting crackers. How they are chasing away these elephants? They are shouting, making loud noises and bursting crackers till the sound died away in the distance. So the sound moved far and far. So the sound is not audible now. So they realized that the herd is too far from the people. Our next plan of action was to ask enthusiastic villagers for help to locate our patient. So definitely along with other elephant, the injured elephant also moved forward. but it will be left alone because it cannot move that fast as other elephants. So they are trying to spot the injured elephant with the help of the villagers. And after about half an hour or so, two boys came running up and told us that they had found the elephant standing alone in the corner of the forest. So after half an hour, almost 30 minutes it took to find out the injured elephant, and two boys came, young boys came back and informed that they found the injured elephant which is standing alone somewhere in the corner of the forest. Sabatha was asked to prepare his syringe. We set off for the spot in our jeep with our two young friends as guides. So the two boys returned. They took that boys also along with them to find out the exact location. Another 10 minutes and we were there. So they reached near the elephant. The injured elephant was standing on a slight elevation just across a debris created by a dry stream. So he was standing in a slight elevation. It's a little higher position which is near to a lower area. Means depression means a part of a surface lower than the area around it. So it's like a dry pond or stream. So nearby that the elephant was standing. Subrata was asked to prepare his syringe. Subrata, who is Subrata? Yesterday we discussed that Subrata is the person who is experienced in tranquilizing the animals for treating. Tranquilizing means make them unconscious or calm by giving any drug, okay, to treat them, because it is wild animal. Definitely if you are approaching without making it unconscious or something like that, definitely it will attack back. So Subrata is asked to prepare his syringe. His experience so far had been limited to tranquilizing mostly monkeys, but time was not of the essence, which means he was not having any experience on tranquilizing the elephant. So he have done this to monkeys before. That time was not a matter. Here time is very crucial, because any time the herd of elephant may return in search of the injured elephant. So before that they are supposed to make this elephant unconscious, as well as they want to treat the elephant. So anytime they are expecting the herd of elephants back. So the time is very crucial, and he had therefore not thought of keeping the syringe ready. So he is not having any such experiences before. So he was not ready with the syringe. So now only he is going to ready the syringe with the drug. Drug means the medicine. Showing admirable calm, he spread a cloth on the ground. See, as I told you, time is very crucial. What this man is doing, very calm. He took a cloth and he kept it on the ground very neatly. He is taking one after another each the required equipments, and he is filling the syringe. And very slowly he is doing, very methodologically, taking all the time in the world. He is very slowly doing that, and see, like as if you have enough time to do the things, but here the time is very crucial. He is not thinking about it. Taking care not to alarm the elephant any further, we urged Subrata. So means the injured elephant is standing there. They doesn't want to let the elephant move any further. Okay, so they are talking very slowly, I mean in very low voice, like a whispering, and they told it to Subrata that to make it is little hurry, okay, make it fast, prepare the syringe and make the elephant unconscious. By that time a small, okay, the cloth on hard, and taking care not to alarm the elephant any further, we urged Subrata in wheels, means the rough whispers, means because of the nervousness. They are nervous, they are expecting the herd of elephant back at any time. And by that time a small crowd had gathered behind us. So that time all the people reached over there. They were giving different ideas. Okay, how can he give drug to him? Definitely when there is a group of people, hundreds of ideas will come out and nothing will work out over there. Nothing cannot be executed, and it will simply make us confused. Maybe we are okay with our own idea, but when we are getting hundreds of opinions, we will be confused with this much ideas. They are talking like an expert, even though they don't have any experience in it. By the time Subrata was ready, the frightened elephant. Why the elephant got frightened? Because the people gathered there and they were talking loudly and had begun to move. The elephant started walking with a limping visibly. Limping means a walk with a difficulty. It is visible that it is injured. Too many salpoles stood between us and animal for an accurate hit. So they have to be there in a proper distance with the elephant. Means from too far we cannot shoot that syringe to the elephant. So we need to keep a close distance with the elephant. But there were a lot of trunks of salpoles, means a trunk of sal trees are in between the animal and the person, that means Subrata, who is going to shoot. Okay, stood between us and the animal for an accurate hit. Subrata was forwarded slowly. Subrata was walking forward with his dart gun. Dart gun means a gun which is having an arrow which contains some medicine. Okay, arrow which contains some medicine, and I followed to provide moral support and advice. So he is also following, the writer is also following, our speaker is also following the person who is going to shoot the elephant. For what? For giving encouragement. So he is also following. So we are going to wind up today's class here. The next day we are going to see how they are going to treat the elephant. So I think you got the meaning of all the unfamiliar word while explaining. And you're supposed to write the word meaning, and you're supposed to learn it as well, and read the chapter from the beginning till paragraph number 12 and understand the chapter in a better way. And we are going to wind up. Bye. Take care.